We have products from the Amalfi boat tours in the Amalfi Coast. We are opening a new office also in Rome. We already have one.
Hello, first of all, thank you so much for your time. May I ask who you are and what company are you representing here at ITB China?
So I'm Simone. I'm from Naples Bay. That's a Naples-based company from Italy. We're an incoming tour operator and DMC.
Okay, thank you so much. So the first question would be, how important is the China travel market for your business?
So it's getting increasingly important for us. Chinese market, it's especially in the segment for luxury and high-end tourism in our country and especially in our area, it's fundamental. And so we're engaging with a lot of interesting buyers and people who are visiting the fair, and we think that the Chinese market is going to grow even more this year for us.
Okay, interesting. So what new travel trends are you seeing in 2026?
Mainly experiential tourism. So we had a lot of workshops, cooking classes, and it's getting increasingly interesting. The luxury tourism, but based in hidden areas or under the radar paths, especially because our country, it's very touristy. And so we are trying to get in those segments that are, let's say, developing a bit more compared to the classical tourism that has been in the industry for a long time.
Okay, so how is your company specifically improving this traveler experience?
So we have dedicated customs in a lot of languages, dedicated concierge. We are open from where our customer service is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So we also have personal concierge. Everything is made by us. We supply everything. And so that means that for the clients, it's very direct and it's easier. It's end-to-end. And so everything is just for them. And there are no third parties involved. So that's very important for our customers.
Okay, very interesting. So what are the new products, services, or partnerships that you are introducing this year?
So we have products from the Amalfi boat tours in the Amalfi Coast. We are opening a new office also in Rome. We already have one. Dinners in Pompeii after it's closed, helicopter tours, and it's getting in this market with a few partnerships that we already had in the first day, and we already sent the contract for them. I think that we can also arrange private luxury shopping with personal shoppers, especially for Chinese and Japanese market.
All right, thank you so much. That will be all.